Welcome back to Mexico News Network's Daily News, broadcasting from El Dorado Royal Spa Resort by Carisma. Remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus for more information, and visit our website www.mexiconewsnetwork.com. MP3 cell phones, energy savers, wind turbines, and even the hybrid cars have something in common. All of them have inside of their mechanism little chemical components that allow them to work with the minimum energy. These elements are known as rare earth. In the future, we will hear so much about rare earth. These are 17 metals belonging to the lanthanide group. Because their electronic, electric, and magnetic properties, they are used at the new technology research. Scientists have made rare earth because these elements are present just in few places in the world and because their complicated exploitation process. Rare earth has a light weight and its contaminant emission is so low that it has been used as a key element of clean energy development, improving efficiency, size, and even the speed of new technologies. At this moment, the market of rare earth is dominated by Asia. The 97% of the exportations are made by China, followed by India, Brazil, and Malaysia. Because of this situation, the prices of this elemental product has reached prices over the $50,000, an increment between the 200 and 600%. To open the market, countries as the United States have decided to get into the rare earth business. Mexico has opted for research. With the help of international institutions from Chile, Korea, and France, Mexican scientists have started the investigations to localize rare earth deposits in the country. The Mining Development Program 2013-2018 of the Ministry of Economy has contemplated into its budget resources for the investigation of rare earth in Mexico. Until now, geologists think that Tamaulipas, Oaxaca, and some areas of Sonora can be ideal for rare earth deposits. The intention of the Mexican Geological Survey is not a commercial one. It is to find rare earth deposits to right the investigation of clean technologies in Mexico, a field that is getting bigger because of the importance of other key industries as the automobile one. In other news, Paulina Mar Lucas and Valeria Cruz are two students from the National Polytechnic Institute and the National Autonomous University of Mexico, respectively, that became internationally famous for their research. A new environmentally friendly laundry system that uses bacteria to wash clothes, leading to a process that efficiently forgoes soap or even water. The bacteria used for the project have been adapted from an earlier system patented by the UNAM, but that was only used for metals. The modification has the effect of the bacteria degrading the organic compounds in the clothes, eliminating odors and even stains added to the fabric, as explained by Mar to National Geographic. Mar was responsible for the marketing of this product, a complicated task due to the unconventional procedure, while Cruz was the mastermind who made possible the changing of the bacteria structures that astonished the business community during the 8th edition of the Henkel Innovating Challenge. The new laundry system uses an aerosol with bacteria that could be commercialized in approximately 5 years by Henkel. In the meantime, both innovators have landed interviews and internships in the company that sponsored the event. Mexican authorities are testing on computerized drones to patrol over the Sea of Cortez, the living area of this critically endangered species, porpoises, aka vaquita. There are only less than 100 specimens left, and the reason they have dropped down to this number is due to the legal fishing in the area. Porpoises or vaquitas are trapped in the fishing nets during the catch of totoaba, which people fish to remove its bladder and sold in clandestine market, shipped through California and then to China. Last year, Mexican authorities arrested 17 people for the trafficking of totoaba bladders. The plan to ban gillnet fishing could really be of help. Additionally, flying the drones as a way of having permanent aerial patrols and react in a faster and more efficient way. The ban would run for the next 2 years, but unfortunately, the porpoises vaquita reproduces every 2 years, and in fact, only 25 of the ones left are in reproductive age, making it even harder to recover the population of this shy and elusive creature. It would take a long-term plan for approximately 20 to 30 years to recover 5,000 specimens. The vaquita is a rare species of porpoises and is an endemic to the north of the Sea of Cortez or Gulf of California. It is the smallest and the most endangered species of the cetacean order. We can only hope that these measures taken from the government institutions such as the Federal Attorney for Environmental Protection, PROFEPA, as well as getting cooperation from U.S. authorities, can restore the population of these wonderful water animals. In other news, Mexico has great potential for the generation of renewable energy. The various renewable resources available enable the production of clean energy such as hydroelectric, wind, solar, and geothermal. And there is a promising future rising since the nation is taking huge leaps and heading towards positioning as a leader in renewable resources. According to the Federal Electricity Commission, CFE, and the Energy Regulatory Commission, only 23% of the entire electric energy generating capacity of Mexico comes from renewable resources. Therefore, the Ministry of Energy is expecting a 1,000 increase in solar energy production by 2018. Regarding solar energy, Mexico features a privileged geographical location where solar radiation reaching the northern and Pacific states could generate enough power to supply the entire country, reason why most of the photovoltaic projects are established in these regions. Now, for the first time ever, an enterprise located to the southeast of Mexico decided to join the solar revolution and make the most of the nation's sun belt. A large-scale photovoltaic power plant was installed in southeastern Mexico in the state of Yucatan, featuring 1,280 solar panels across the region of the state of Yucatan and supported with an approximate $963,000 investment. This solar plant will produce enough energy which will be equivalent to the consumption required for 400 community housing units. This is the largest photovoltaic power plant in the southeast of Mexico and will be introduced and established in the snacks manufacturing company called Botanas La Lupita in Mérida, Yucatan. With this project, the company is expecting to reduce its energy consumption to 60%, besides decreasing emissions of greenhouse gases and tons of carbon dioxide. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with more relevant information on Mexico and the Riviera Maya after these brief messages. Stay with us.